4521 West 148th. This is your virtual tour. You can see this has an awesome driveway, a one-car garage in the back. It's got a fenced-in backyard, newer windows, gorgeous house. When you go into the front here, you walk into the living room. It has a total of 3 bedrooms. This is a ranch, which is a rarity. As you can see, it's very nice. It's carpeted, large, open floor plan. The kitchen's big also, so you can see the kitchen. It's huge. So you have a dishwasher. All the appliances stay. You've got a refrigerator, stove, and a dishwasher. You also, I'm not going to go down the basement, but you have a washer and dryer down there. Got new flooring in here. And these are your bedrooms, 2 bedrooms. There's a big bedroom too. So if you're wanting a really big bedroom, this might be your house. So we got closet. This is a very good sized room. That's a decent sized room. The kitchen is absolutely phenomenal. It's huge. And then here's the big master that I really like. And you have AC here, but you can see how much huge this is. You got 2 closets there, and it's just an exceptional house. It will not last. It's near Kamms Corner, and it's just a really nice open floor plan, 1 level, very rare. Come out and see this one. Thanks.